What's up guys, Sal here. So it's been a huge wait to get foldable phones into the hands of consumers. The idea of a smartphone that folded out to a larger display has been something of a dream product for both users and phone makers. Now phones with true flexible and foldable displays are finally a reality, and a huge credit of that goes to Samsung, who has been at the forefront of revolutionizing this mobile form factor. And it looks like Samsung has no plans of slowing down. Not only Samsung has plans to aggressively increase the production of foldable phones, but they're also introducing a brand new form factor in the world of foldable smartphones, and it's happening this year itself. This report is from Nikkei, who is a reputable source. They say Samsung has set an internal goal to boost its total foldable smartphone shipments to a similar level as those of the popular Galaxy Note series, that's over 10 million units annually. Since Samsung has suspended the Galaxy Note for the year 2021, this will give them room to better market the foldable phones to the masses. Samsung believes since there's not going to be a Galaxy Note this year, consumers who otherwise have upgraded to the Galaxy Note 21 may opt for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is rumored to have the S Pen functionality. The line between the Galaxy S and Note has almost totally been blurred, and Samsung says it's a burden to launch two flagship devices in a year as the company didn't have much to differentiate the two lineups. But foldable phones are a clear differentiator, and they also carry a higher profit margin, so no wonder why Samsung wants to bet big on the foldable phone technology. Speaking of which, the report also mentions Samsung is gearing up to launch a double folding Galaxy Z smartphone as soon as the end of this year. Samsung has been working on this form factor for years now, and they have multiple patents on this technology. Basically, the phone is equipped with one large flexible screen. Expanded, you have a large tablet at your disposal. The smartphone has two hinges. One screen section you can fold forward, the other you fold backward. So when folded, it could be used as a regular smartphone, and when unfolded, it provides users with a large display, 3 times more than a regular smartphone. The idea is to have a more app-friendly aspect ratio when unfolded, such as 16:9 or 18:9, so that apps, games, and videos look more pleasing to the eyes. For context, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a 25:9 aspect ratio, and when you're watching videos full screen, you get huge letterboxes on top and bottom, kinda ruining the full screen video experience. So the bifolding Galaxy Z smartphone will solve this issue, but the problem with this form factor raises some durability concerns. You see, on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip, the folding screen is protected while it's closed. But here, one of the ends of the display is exposed to the environment all the time while it's closed. And we've seen from the original Huawei Mate X that it's not good for the display, as it will get scratched easily and the display will stop working altogether. The rollable phones will also have the same problem. So they need to figure out how to make the ultra thin glass durable enough so that you can comfortably keep the device in your pocket without worrying about scratches and dents. Anyway, let me know what you think about this down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.